In this video, I propose to take up a few problems relating to sleep. In our day-to-day life, there is no greater blessing than sound sleep. None of us can do without it. An infant sleeps 14 to 18 hours a day. An adult requires 7 to 8 hours. A lack of enough sleep makes a person sick. In old age, sleep becomes fitful. All mammals sleep because sleep has a purpose. It recharges our mental and physical batteries. We experience a diminution of efficiency and concentration in case we have not slept well. William Shakespeare, writing in Macbeth, inimitably summed up the benefits of sleep thus: sleep that knits up the ravelled sleeve of care, the death of each day's life, sore labour's bath, balm of hurt minds, great nature's second course, chief nourisher in life's feast. It is beneficial to regulate one's sleeping hours. Go to bed at a fixed time. In the 24-hour cycle of the human body, our temperature rises and falls at fixed times. In the afternoon, it reaches its maximum. At midnight, it comes down. It is comfortable to be asleep when the body temperature is at its minimum. Otherwise, one does not feel physically and mentally at one's best. On the other hand, the human body and mind perform at their peak when the body temperature is at the highest level. According to a report published in India Today, recent research reveals that sleep fights cancer, protects the heart, boosts memory, and inspires lateral thinking. It adds, sleep deprivation can better the heart. A 10-year study of more than 70,000 volunteers, published in the Archives of Internal Medicine, showed that those sleeping 5 hours or less show a 39% increased risk of heart disease compared with those sleeping 8 hours. The story of Samuel Taylor Coleridge writing a truncated poem, Kublai Khan, after dreaming about it, is well known. The poem remained incomplete because some visitor called him to the door in between. The rest of the dream was lost. However, this anecdote shows that our sleep helps in creative thinking. Sleeping pills disturb the period of dreams. In sleep, we dream in the later part of the night. Everyone knows the complicated webs woven during those dreams. Alas, it is all forgotten soon after waking up, although the brain benefits from this exercise. In normal day-to-day living, do not take stimulants like coffee or tea late in the evening. Do not overload your stomach at dinner. A heavy meal disturbs sleep. Eat your last meal at least 2 hours before going to bed. Cut on consumption of alcohol, rather avoid it altogether. A hangover is not a pleasant experience. Do not smoke. Late nights affect health because your sleep pattern is disturbed. Switch off the television an hour before bedtime. A bath before going to bed has a positive effect on sleep. So does listening to soothing music. If possible, take a long walk. It is helpful in bringing you a good night's rest. A cup of warm milk at bedtime comforts the body. Make your sleeping environment as comfortable as possible. It should be neither too hot nor too cold. Sleeping on a soft bed is not healthy. A bed should be firm, hard, and of a proper size. A double bed should have enough room for two to turn comfortably without coming in each other's way. Sleep well. In sleep, we dream, and dreams can be romantic at times. The most frequent problem in sleep is insomnia, the inability to go to sleep or to get sleep for a period sufficient for the needs of an individual. Chronic inability to sleep is called insomnia. It leads to excessive fatigue. The most common cause of insomnia is worry. The other is depression. Loud noise and other environmental disturbances can also cause a disturbance in sleep. So do taking excessive coffee, alcohol or colas in the evening. Avoid sleeping pills. Use relaxation techniques. Practice yoga. Meditate. Listen to soothing music. Switch off television at least an hour before you go to bed. Insomnia of the aged requires aconite nap. ACONIT 30. When a person is worried and loses sleep, give Ambra Grisia, AMBRA GRISEA 30. If a person is restless and tired and cannot go to sleep, he or she needs Arnica 200. For mental and physical restlessness leading to insomnia, we prescribe Arsenic Alb 200. Insomnia with cold limbs needs Camphor 30. Obstinate insomnia, intractable insomnia, sleepy but cannot sleep, needs Cannabis indica, CANNABIS indica 30. If unbearable pain takes away sleep, give Chamomilla 200. There are rheumatic or abdominal pains, there is uneasiness and anxiety. Insomnia which comes after copious menstrual flow needs China 200. Insomnia on account of mental activity of thinkers, of men of ideas, inability to go to sleep at the right hour needs Coffea 200. Take a dose an hour before going to bed. If a person awakens at around 3 a.m., the problems gather in the mind like clouds. Then he falls asleep early morning only to wake up feeling wretched. Give Nux Vomica 200. It never fails. NUXVOMICA 200. If a woman loses sleep because of excessive desire for sex or on account of copious prolonged menstruation, she needs Raphanus, RAPHANUS 30. Some people get nightmares, fear of death, irrational fear and agony. They rave, shout. They need aconite nap 30. If disagreeable ideas disturb a person during sleep, give Calcarea carb 200. A person wakes up frightened. There is insomnia and delirium. Give Hyoscyamus HYOS CYMUS 200. If a person wakes up in fright of being suffocated, give Spongia 30, SPONGIA 30. Some people wake up startled. The body parts twitch. The patient wakes up often. The cure lies in Agaricus, AGARICUS 200. If a person yawns not only yawns, he gets paroxysms of yawns again and again. Again, medicine is Agaricus 200. If you are feeling sleepy during the day, yawning when walking in open air, you need Euphrasia 200. And then there are people who moan during sleep. They are sleepy but cannot sleep owing to discomfort. Please give Belladonna 200. Belladonna. A deep slumber, a feeling of general drowsiness requires Entim Tart 200. And to wake up a man out of profound coma, try Opium 200. Opium 200. Then there are persons whom the slightest of noise awakens. Give sulfur 200. Another man walks in sleep, has horrible dreams. He needs Kali Bromatum, Kalibromatum, to 30. Another person walks in sleep. There is rush of blood in the head with heat. Give Cilicia 200. So these are most of the situations relating to sleep. If you listen carefully, you can get tremendous help. The usual medicines for insomnia will be Coffea if you can't sleep at the right time, and Nux vomica if you wake up after midnight. Thank you very much. More next time.